Hey there, Wetside Garden here. Glad you stopped by. If your March sown spinach is looking lush and green this week, this is for you. We have some unseasonable summer heat rolling in right now, and if you do not take action today, that spinach is going to bolt before you can get it to the kitchen. Protecting your spinach from this incoming heat is the absolute priority this week. We are looking at a high of 88 degrees today, June 14th, and then peaking at 91 degrees tomorrow on June 15th. In our maritime climate, spinach starts its bolting sequence when daylight climbs past 14 hours and the air temperature crosses 75 degrees. Since we have 0 inches of rain in the forecast for the next week, the plants are facing a double whammy of dry soil and intense sun. The best thing you can do right now is get some 50% shade cloth or lightweight row cover over those beds. If you do not have that, even draping some thin sheets or positioning tall potted plants to cast afternoon shade on the west side of the bed will help. It also helps to run the hose in the morning to physically cool down the top inch of soil. On the bright side, we are heading toward a chilly night of 45 degrees on June 17th. Spinach actually recovers from heat stress beautifully when the night temperatures drop into the mid-40s, so you can lift those covers in the evening to let the cool night air do its thing. Go ahead and harvest the larger outer leaves of your Bloomsdale or Olympia spinach today before that 91-degree spike hits. If you see the main stem starting to stretch upward, the plant is already bolting, so go ahead and pull the whole thing. It is not a big deal, it just means it is time to eat it. While you are out there, keep an eye on the underside of the leaves for aphids, which love this dry June weather. If you have peas from your March sowing, those should be ready to start picking alongside the spinach. The same goes for early lettuce, Nantes carrots, kale, and chard. It is a fantastic wheat for salad. If you have winter squash like delicata or butternut that you have not planted yet, this is your absolute last call to get those in the ground as the window closes around June 15th. Corn is also on a ticking clock, with the window closing around June 25th. For late season greens like broccoli or summer squash, you still have plenty of time to tuck those in. West of the Cascades, our soil has finally warmed up, which means your tomatoes, peppers, onions, and basil should really be starting to take off and maybe even showing some early flowers. If you planted potatoes back in April, they are likely sizing up nicely right now. Just keep the soil damp during this hot stretch and let them do their thing. It is a busy week, but the garden is incredibly forgiving if you just keep things watered. Keeping your cool season crops shaded during this June spike is the easiest way to keep your harvest going just a little bit longer. Thanks for watching. This channel is a work in progress, and the next few videos are shaped entirely by what you are running into. Let me know in the comments if your spinach has already started to stretch, or what you are planting to fill those gaps. The summer is moving fast now, so make sure to subscribe so you do not miss next week's update.